This Little Light of Mine on the ukulele, easy version. The chord that this centers around today is G. So if you're not sure how to play G, you might want to look up a separate tutorial on it, but I'm going to let you have a good long look at this. So remember, your ukulele is pointing out to the left. You've made sure that it's in tune, and you're going to put your fingers just like this on the second fret and the third fret. We don't have anything on the first fret. All right, so G sounds like this. Go ahead and play it for a minute and stop. So the other chord that we're going to need a lot is C. Super easy to change from G to C. You just pick up this finger and move over to C. C is usually the first chord you learn. It's the one we used for thanks a lot. And from C, we're going to go back to G. Now the other chord that we will use just once each verse is D. And I'm going to play D by putting 3 fingers on this spot, and this spot. So second fret, bottom string, and then the next 2 strings up. So you can use 3 fingers in a row like this, or when I'm moving from G to D, I like to pick up these 2 fingers and move them around this. So I'm making a really weird little twisty shape with my fingers, but it's easier to change because this finger doesn't have to move. Okay? So this is D. So you can go ahead and pause this video and practice those chords or go back to the beginning to look for them, but I want to get right into this song. So I'm going to use a backbeat, strumming on the backbeat, and I'm going to just lightly stop my strings on the downbeat and the third beat. So what that actually sounds like is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So set your fingers up on a G and practice that with me. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and stop. Now, throughout the whole song, I'm going to use that strumming pattern, but sometimes I'll change to a C chord, and at the very end, I'll do a quick change to the D chord. If it is challenging enough for you just to do the strumming pattern and your G chord, switching back and forth to your C chord, then just skip the D chord when it happens. If you're up to the challenge, then play the D chord when it happens. I'm just going to play through this song, and the chords will be right here, and have fun. Don't worry about singing unless you want to. The words are pretty easy. Ready? Here we go. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine. I messed up. Okay, let's start again. Ready? Here we go. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. Hide it under a bushel? No, I'm gonna let it shine. Hide it under a bushel? No, I'm gonna let it shine. Hide it under a bushel? No, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. Won't let no one blow it out.